Before I start with my topic for today, I would like to extend my greetings to our school's division superintendent, Ma'am Lloyda Nidea, to our assistant schools division superintendent, Ma'am Cecil Ferro, and to our very active education program supervisor, Ma'am Marvin Berha, and to our participants and guests. Good day. I am Miss Abigail S. Arindaing, a senior high school teacher trained from the Lipay High School, Milaor District. Today, I'm going to discuss about some selected platforms in conducting online distance learning, synchronous and asynchronous ICT education in the new normal. Since the risk of COVID-19 is still prevailing, one of the best ways in continuing the education of our students is through digital learning. What is digital learning? It is any type of learning that is accompanied by technology or by instructional practices that makes effective use of technology. It encompasses the application of a wide spectrum of practices, including blended and virtual learning. Sometimes it is confused with online learning or e-learning. Digital learning encompasses the aforementioned concept. A digital learning strategy may include any or a combination of any of the following. First, adaptive learning, badging and gamification, blended learning, classroom technologies, electronic textbooks, learning analytics, learning objectives, mobile learning, personalized learning, online learning, open educational resources, technology-enhanced teaching and learning, then virtual reality and augmented reality. Digital learning has some advantages. The first one, for engagement. It improves students' motivation from engaging content and game-based strategies. For time, it extending the learning day and year, allowing students to learn when they learn best. For location, anywhere, anytime, learning creates a new world of opportunity. For pacing, allowing students to progress at their own rate. And for individualization, customizing learning by level and modality. Furthermore, for the content, it is rich, deep, and up-to-date, sharing the difference between turn in and publish it, the ability to teachers to share what's worked. For data, instant and multiple forms of feedbacks, smart profiles that will drive customized learning. Ownership, students choosing what to learn, how to demonstrate their learning. And parents' involvement, there is transparency and connections to the classroom. Aside from the advantages of the digital learning, it also brings disadvantages. For infrastructure, particularly affordable broadband at home, it requires students to have internet connections at their home. More of the same, the risk of layering technology on top of how we've always done school with little benefits. Teachers, administrators, and parents are trapped in an old models. For management scheduling, customized learning will require much better management and scheduling tools. For preparation and development, learning new tools will be the easy part. Learning new roles will be more challenging, particularly as schools models proliferate. And also, for obsolescence, constantly changing softwares and hardware's versions make it tough for schools to stay current. There are lots of engaging content and cool apps, but nothing works together. Technology will solve some problems, but also introduce other challenges. Here are some selected platforms for online learning. The first one is the Canvas. Canvas is adaptable, reliable, customizable, easy to use, mobile, and time saving. Canvas ensures you that you won't be spending time on finding out how the platform works and struggling with technology. You can easily plug in third-party apps like, for example, book widgets that enables you to make interactive lesson materials. Canvas has, like any other learning management systems, a long list of features. Besides the basic features like sharings, assignments, gradings, annotation tools, notifications, feedback options, etc., they also have a graphic analytics reporting engine. The second one is the Moodle. It is one of the most appreciated free online learning management systems. It provides educators with an open source solution for e-learning that is scalable, customizable, and secure. It's used worldwide and has a large selection of activities available. Its interface is easy to navigate on both desktop and mobile devices. The third one is the Edmodo. It is the second global education network and provides communication, collaboration, and training tools to enable all students to reach their full learning potential. Educators are at the center of an engaging network that connects them to teacher colleagues, students, administrators, and even parents. They provide a secure platforms in which teachers and students can connect and share resources, leveraging both educational content and applications. Edmodo usually compared to the Facebook, but it is more safer than the Facebook. The fourth one is the Sakai. It is a 100% open source online platform. With a wide range of features, Sakai provides tools necessary for teachers, students, research investigators, and project leaders to build a good online classroom. Sakai's standard set of score tools delivers discussions, capabilities, announcements, messaging, file management, assignment delivery, assessment, a gradebook, and many more. Sakai has an amazing community and live for feedback and improvement. Sakai has active groups dedicated to accessibility, internationalization, documentation, and specific tools and functionality. Next is the Schoology. It is a learning management system for K-12 schools, higher education institutions, and even corporations. Manage your classrooms, create and submit assignments, participates in interactive discussions, perform assessments, collaborate with your peers, and just a few possibilities of Schoology. It is a secure online platform with one goal, connecting people to learn. Teachers can create, manage, and share information and resources with their students. Then we also have the SHOBI. SHOBI stands for the Connected Classrooms, with a focus on teaching and not on technology. Showbie combines all of the essential tools needed in the paperless classroom in one easy-to-use application. Showbie allows parents involvement, discussions, and collaborations between students and teachers. Other features are the annotation tools, gradebook, creating and assigning assignments, students' portfolios, and adding voice notes to students' work. Then we also have iTunes U. iTunes U as well as Showbie are both applications. It makes them easier to use on mobile devices than most other online learning platforms. iTunes U also focuses on colleges and universities and is also available for students. Students can enroll in courses without their teacher's permission. There's a huge library with interesting courses a student can choose from. Then the last one is the Google Classrooms. It is a free web-based platform that integrates your G Suite for Education account with all your G Suite services. Google Classrooms makes it easy to create classes, distributes assignments, communicates, and stay organized. Teachers can quickly see who has or hasn't completed the work and provide direct real-time feedback and grades right in Google Classroom. One of the highly recommended platforms of online learning is the Quipper School. It is an educational technology company that provides electronic learning, coaching, tutoring, and assessment services for K-12 in Japan, Indonesia, the Philippines, and Mexico. Quipper Philippines offer three services. The three services run on single online platform, with the difference being the type of content availability. They serve as learning management systems or textbook replacements for K-12 schools. Quipper School is available only to public schools through the company's partnership with the local Department of Education. The content on Quipper Schools consists of lesson slides and quizzes for grades 4 to 10. Quipper Schools Premium, which contains study guides or downloadable PDF-based lessons and quizzes for grades 4 to 12. Quipper Video, which in addition to the study guides and quizzes, also includes video lessons for grades 10 to 12. Quipper Schools is a free online platform for teachers and students. It consists of two parts, Link for teachers and Learn for students. How does the Quipper works? First one, teacher sets tasks online. Students complete their tasks on work on any other part of the curriculum independently. Then, as students work, teachers instantly feedback on students' performance. How to sign up on Quipper School? First, browse the Quipper School Philippines on the Google browser. Then, once the site loads, you create your account by filling up the needed information such as name, email, your password, and phone number. Then, to connect with your schools, choose your region, division, and school. And then finally, it asks you to check your account details if these are correct. Then proceed and create account. Then the site will bring you to the Quipper School dashboard. A confirmation email must be verified by clicking the link to verify your account. Then these are some features of the Quipper Schools: the curriculum and assignment. For the curriculum feature, we have here the different curriculums such as elementary, junior high school, and senior high school. Then the subject and grade level. For the subject, it contains different chapters and also the topics for the lessons. For the lesson content, it contains the core subject, the lesson, and then the chapter. Each lesson content contains different slides which for the students to read and study. After every lesson, the students are required to answer the quizzes. Once the students are done in studying the lessons, the students required to answer some questions. These are the features of the quizzes and assignments. It contains the number of questions for every topic. Then the questions and then the options or choices. How to set assignments. First is go to Curriculum and Assignment dashboard. Then click the Assignment button. Next, set the assignment using these steps. First, choose the task you want to assign to your students, such as assignment, examination, or quiz and review. Then, set the duration of the assignment. Then, type the title of the assignment and send this assignment to your classes. Another feature of the Quipper Schools is the statistics. In statistics, it allows you to monitor the activities of your students. It shows the students who completed the lessons, watched the videos, and the number of topics they mastered. For the class list feature, this feature allows you to see the list of your classes. The next feature is the current assignment. This feature allows you to see the quizzes you assign to the students and their progress on each quizzes. Then, this feature, the assignment's result, it allows you to see the students' progress. On the next slides, let me show you some helpful videos on Quipper Schools, such as getting started with Quipper School and some benefits of Quipper Schools.
Welcome to the world of Quipper School. Quipper School is an online service that combines smart management tools with engaging content to support educators and learners around the world. Getting started is simple. The first step for teachers is creating a class. Give your class a name and select the courses you want to focus on. When that's all done, your class code will be generated. Share the unique code with your students on a blackboard or a piece of paper. It only takes a few moments for students to register on Quipper School Learn. They can then join your class by entering the class code. And whilst everyone is busy joining your class, you can create your first study assignment. Take a look through the modules and topics in the courses you selected. drag and drop the specific topics you want your students to work on. Give your assignment a name and schedule and hit send. Your students will receive their assignment instantly. And as soon as they start answering questions, you'll start seeing results. And it doesn't stop there. Quipper School is full of features that help educators and learners improve their results. So what are you waiting for? Get started with Quipper School today.
I was introduced to Quipper School by another teacher. I found the idea interesting. And after a presentation by Quipper School staff, many teachers at my school started using the service. Quipper School comes loaded with hundreds of topics, so I don't need to spend time or money preparing tests and lessons. But if I want to, I can still use Quipper School to create my own personal online study assignments. Quipper School helps me get to know my students better. All their data are automatically collected and analyzed, so I can easily identify trends, strengths, and weaknesses within my classes and even among my individual students. Using Quipper School has enhanced my productivity, efficiency, and overall teaching effectiveness.
Today's teachers face big challenges, large classes, mountains of paperwork, and a whole lot of grading. Quipper School is here to help. Quipper School makes managing and monitoring multiple classes containing hundreds of students easier than ever, whilst helping the students themselves to realize their full potential. Quipper School combines powerful management and learning features with rich content. Here's how it works. Teachers create assignments and study programs for their students, who can study anytime, any place. Meanwhile, their data and results are sent back to their teacher.
Quipper School is very easy to use, and because it is K-12 compliant, it can be used as intervention and enrichment lesson for both developing and proficient learners. We do believe that using Quipper School, our school would achieve an increase on the students' NAT score.
We can integrate lessons using ICT. We can divert the attentions of our students towards the importance of using the technology rather than playing online games. I want to encourage teachers and principals on how they can maximize the use of Quipper School in increasing the performance of their students.
I find Quipper School very interesting and enjoyable at the same time because it helps me to study my lesson even in our own home. It helps me to memorize my lesson in a very fun way.
I love answering questions on Quipper School because I could earn coins for buying new wallpapers and themes, which really motivates me to keep going.
Quipper School is interactive and feels like a game, so I learn faster, remember things better, and have fun too. I'm really thankful to my teachers and to my school for introducing me to Quipper School. Thanks to them, I was able to pass the University of the Philippines entrance exam.
As part of our division e-learning program, we have implemented Quipper School in the entire division. The acceptance has been overwhelmingly positive. It's a tool that brings learning into the 21st century and has enabled students to really enjoy learning.
Quipper School is growing around the world. Join us today and start improving your results.
And that's all. Thank you. Again, I'm Miss Abigail S. Arindain.